right, thank you for that, Steve, I guess. Well, some are calling it a miracle drug. It's proving to be slow or even stop the progression of a form of muscular dystrophy. Now, the injections may very well prevent young boys with Duchenne disease from losing their ability to walk, and it could help those who are already in a wheelchair to live longer lives, but it's still not approved by the FDA. And Jennifer Lukey joins us live in studio tonight with the real deal on how local families are joining a nationwide push to finally get that approval. Jen?
Well, Liz, this is a story that we've been following for weeks now, talking with local families that say this drug is what they've been waiting for years. Just this week, the drug maker said it would conduct another larger trial, offering it to more boys, while at the same time asking the FDA to rush an approval on it for everyone because time is of the essence for boys and men with this illness.
Good night, my angel, time to say goodbye and save these questions for another day.
For years, Brian Schwinspire stole the show during the MDA telethons.
I think you know what I've been trying to say.
Singing beautiful songs and inspiring people to donate for a cure.
That was like the most important thing in my life throughout high school and college.
But a few years ago, Duchenne's took away his ability to do what he loves.
I can feel that I need to work harder to breathe. And I have to use breathing machines that go throughout the night.
This new drug has stopped the progression of Duchenne's in test patients, giving hope to younger boys who still have muscle function that they'll be able to keep it and in some cases even regain strength. But for Brian and older patients who've already lost most of that function, this drug literally may be the difference between life and death.
There's like up to a 15% increase in strength breathing. And that's really one of the worst things that happens for an aged person. You don't want to say it's a miracle cure, but in certain situations, it's a miracle that it changes the progression. And that's something we've been waiting for my whole life.
A life he spent trying to help others as well.
This is always my personal favorite moment in the telethon.
I promised I would never leave you. We've raised so much money, done so much, through the MDA, that you would think finally there'd be a better plan in place for finally when the drug came. Let's get it to whoever we can, extend lives.
The FDA and the drug maker have laid out a plan to try and fast-track the approval of the drug, but it's likely still at least a year off. If Brian can get it, he's hoping it'll help him get back to his first love.
Maybe I wouldn't be a performing vocalist, but I could definitely have enough energy to go back to my real joy, which was teaching music.
If you sing this lullaby, then in your heart there will always be a part of me.
Now, at this point, the new phase of this trial will be for boys 16 and under, so Brian will not be eligible. He's just hoping the FDA's fast-track path to approval for all Duchenne patients happens as quickly as possible. We, of course, will stay on it. Live in studio tonight, Jennifer Lukey, CBS 6 News.